Watch me go from this to this. If you're interested in this style, please continue watching.
Life on that line. LOL.
The hair that I'll be using this evening is Hollywood Pre-Stretched 3x Yaki in the color number 2. This is the sizing that I'm going for when it comes to my braids. I overlap the rack in the beginning and at the ends to get the maximum capacity out of this rack. Now, let's get started. I parted out a section close to my edges from ear to ear. This will be my flyaway baby hairs. I went ahead and plaited those in two, so I won't touch those until I'm done. I parted my hair straight down the middle, sectioned off one side, and now I'm going to begin my parting. I part my hair in a C shape to get the straight back effect. I'm using shine and gem all over this section, and now I'm going to begin to braid. I start off by braiding my natural hair first for less tension on my edges, and then I'll start adding hair. This time I'm not using the regular braid format, I'm stitch braiding.
Breathe, I'm on the ill. Breathe, I'm on the ill. Braids, I'm on the ill. Braids, I'm on the ill.
I did the other half of my head off camera. Here is a 360 of my braids. You're gonna need a flat iron and a heat protectant of your choice. I'm using Beyond Zone heat protectant. I'm going to saturate that all over my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my flat irons to straighten my flyaways. And then I'm going to go back in to make sure that they are curled.